Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make a password generator with Python. Now we are importing string and time module. Now we are making a function. If name equals to main, it's very important. I will recommend you to read the documentation of string module. Now we are writing some basic commands of string module. S1, S2, S3 and S4 are four common variables. We are making the four variable for the improvement of our software. Using ABC variable, we are taking user input. We will request our client to input the length of the password which he want to generate by using our software. Now we are extending this variable. Now we will copy paste it for saving our time. Now we will extend S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now we are printing a string. Now we are using a join function. Join function is very important in software. It increases the look of a software. We need to be aware about its spacing because Python is a dynamically typed language. Now we are making an infinity loop while true. What's the problem here? Now we need to check our code properly. Let's have a look at our code. We need to call here function, but I called here the variable. Here's the problem. I think there is a major problem in our code. We need to make it correct. Let's find it where the problem is. Here the problem is. We need to give this sign double. Oh, the problem found it in line 16 and line 31. Oh, it would be punctuation. I write it punctuation. Let's run our code. Our code is running, but we need to develop it. We need to enhance its beauty. Now we are skipping three lines. Yeah, our software is successfully running. Now we are importing time module. Now we are skipping time 2 seconds. Now our software is prepared. Now we are running our software for last time. I hope you guys like this video. If you want, then you can also share this video. Lastly, I will say to you, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in next video.